Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find your crypto wallet address on Binance. First, ensure you are logged into your Binance account. Once logged in, look for the wallet option, usually found in the top navigation bar. Click on it, and then select Fiat and Spot from the drop-down menu. This section displays all your cryptocurrency and fiat holdings, making it the starting point for finding your deposit addresses. Now that you're in the Fiat and Spot wallet, scroll through your list of assets or use the search bar to find the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive. Once you've located it, you'll see options like Deposit, Withdraw, and Trade. Click on the Deposit button associated with that particular crypto. This action will take you to the next step, where you can generate your unique deposit address. After clicking Deposit, you'll be prompted to select the network. This is a crucial step, as different cryptocurrencies can operate on multiple networks, such as ERC20 for Ethereum or BEP20 for Binance Smart Chain. Always ensure you choose the network that matches the one from which you are sending funds. Selecting the wrong network could lead to irreversible loss of your assets, so double-check this carefully. Once you've selected the correct network, your unique deposit address will be generated and displayed on the screen. You'll also see a QR code for convenience. Carefully copy this address using the copy button provided to avoid any errors. This is the address you'll use to send funds to your Binance wallet. Remember to always double-check the address before confirming any transaction. Also, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.